Hey friends, welcome to English Masti.
The fun way to learn English anytime, anywhere.
Here, we don't just study English.
We talk, laugh, and learn together.
Whether you want to introduce yourself
Talk about your daily routine.
or just sound confident in English.
We've got you covered, every time.
Each video has simple conversations
Easy vocabulary,
and natural pronunciation.
so you can speak English in real life.
And don't worry, we keep it fun.
Because learning English should never be boring.
So friends, join us every week on English Masti.
Like, share, and subscribe. And start your English journey today.
Keep learning, keep smiling, keep shining.